The Spotify Wrapped 2024 is here. Get ready for the musical year in review. It's the most wonderful time of the year for music lovers. Spotify Wrapped lets us reflect on the soundtrack of our lives. From your most played songs to favorite artists, it's all about to be revealed. Get ready to dive into your listening habits and share your musical journey with the world. Celebrate the music that made your year unforgettable. So what's all the hype about with Spotify Wrapped 2024? It is a personalized year-end summary of your listening activity. It's eagerly anticipated by millions every December. It captures your musical journey, showcasing the tracks and artists that defined your year. Each Wrapped experience is unique, offering surprising and delightful insights. Spotify analyzes your habits, revealing top artists, genres, and songs. The data is packaged into shareable cards, sparking conversations and comparisons. Spotify Wrapped tells the story of your year through music, celebrating your unique taste. So when and how can you access your Spotify Wrapped 2024? When Wrapped is released, each user's Spotify account will prompt them to view their interactive data roundup. It can be accessed through the Spotify smartphone app or by logging onto the Spotify website. Wrapped is available to users with and without premium subscriptions. Watch for Spotify's announcement. It's expected to launch in the first few days of December. Before that, be sure to update your app for the latest features. That's it. Enjoy reminiscing about your favorite songs and artists. Crank up the volume and enjoy every moment. Happy listening and enjoy your Wrapped season. Like and subscribe to the channel for more updates.